Hi there, thanks so much for clicking on the join button and considering becoming a member of my channel. With membership, you're going to get several benefits, such as member badges. Now, you're going to start off as a pedestrian when you first subscribe, and then you'll go to a cyclist, and then a bus, and then a car. And when you've been subscribed for over 6 months, you'll become a sports car. The next benefit, you're going to get early access to all my videos. The third benefit is you can watch my videos ad-free. There will be a unique link on the community tab for members only. The fourth benefit is you're going to get your name mentioned at the end of my videos as a thank you. And the final benefit, you're going to have access to the live Q&As. These Q&As will be at your agenda. So send me a message on the community tab or on a video, and I'll make a live Q&A video about that, and you can attend that and then ask me questions throughout the video. The idea is to really make the videos tailored to you, to help you in the best way we can. The cost of membership is $3.99 per month, and this membership can be cancelled at any time. So you could just try it for a month, see how you like it. If you don't like it, just cancel your membership, no problem. Thank you for considering becoming a member of my channel. Bye for now.